Hello there and welcome back to Sakani Business Hub. Alright, today we're going to be talking about a platform known as MoneyEasily. Well, I'm going to be dropping the link below and so many other things we want to sign up. But we're going to try to figure out if this is a Ponzi scheme or an actual platform you can make money on. Yeah, we still talk about such platforms if you don't know. Yeah, we've been doing that for a while now. But we also have a course going on marketing and so many other stuff. But I don't necessarily need to explain the whole channel structure to you guys right now. But without any further ado, let's just dive straight into what we have for today. Alright, as you can see here, clicking the link below, you get a bonus of $25, and you can get it when you sign up immediately, and no investment required, and it's completely free. Alright, so I'm going to be leaving the link down below in the description, and you can just sign up for the starter pack of $25. Now let's dive straight into what we have. Okay, alright, now for us to sign up, we just have to click on the sign up button, and then it brought up to the page where we have to fill our info. We'll do that right away. Alright, so we've created the account and we're back in. Welcome us, and this is basically what the whole page is. The home page basically features. Now, what is this platform about, and how do we make money from it? Now, with a lot of ads popping in and out, we can't say anything much because obviously ads are what makes the internet, or basically the whole internet right now, work or function. And then these are talking about clicks, tasks, people invited, and commissions, which sounds like the normal let's say the Ponzi scheme 101 or whatever money making platforms usually invite people to. But yeah, this might be looking promising and might just be something we can dive straight into it. Now they say earning dollars can be fun, or basically money. Now you can first we have to invite people, and each invite you get gives you about $22. Now, earn $22 per invite. That's huge. Now, but still, so far we don't know what the structure of the platform is. Why do we get this huge amount of money? What are you selling? What service are you rendering? Because those are basically what keeps any platform running. Now they say complete tasks, you get $20. Complete fun and easy tasks from Task Center, which we will check later on. And then we have watch videos, which I presume are part of the task, and then you earn as much as $20, I think, for each videos. And then daily milestones, which gives you more money. All right, so these are basically the structures that the platform has. So we'll just go ahead and check in the completion of tasks. Maybe that way we get the scope of what the platform is all about. Now you can see here that the tasks here are quite are not super easy, but I think they are still easy either ways, because you could basically download random apps, which is basically helping such app promoted, and clicking on ads, not just watching ads, but actually doing taking certain actions and thereby getting paid a huge sum of $20 for each action you take. Now you can see here, apart from ads that's constantly popping, telling us about people that have basically earned money from the slide down there. You can see here, you complete 4 to 10 tasks below before midnight and get up to $35 extra. So it's like a daily challenge thing. So ignore this. These are just auto messages claiming people are basically withdrawing or depositing into the platform. All right, so since we were able to earn some money without any deposits, we're going to try to see if we can go ahead and make the task, end the task, and basically cash out without having making any deposit so far. And they've not told us to put in any money, so I don't think we are really risking anything here, other than the info we gave earlier to just basically verify the platform. All right, let's go ahead and click on the first one. Randomly recommend the most popular app. All right, so the app will be downloaded once we click on this, or we're going to be using, it's not yet stated, but like it says here, the app will be stated to us randomly, and will be recommended this app randomly out of the most popular apps. So probably could be the app you have or the app you do not have. All right, let's click on it and see. All right, so it's taking us to another website, another browser, which is basically a porn website right now, and this channel do not support that. And I do not, it did not open the Google Play Store, which I expected it to do, but it keeps taking us to a dating site. You can see at the top there's slides, dating, and so on and so forth, and nothing about an app is loading up yet. So yeah, I think I would not advise you guys to keep clicking links when it keeps bouncing off the original website and taking you to platforms you do not want it to take you to. All right, so let's see the invites and see. Okay, basically share your codes and you get about $25, which is about 11,000 in Naira, obviously. And then for people who sign up, and you can see in here all the social media platforms you could basically share it on. And then for each person who clicks on your invite link gets $2, but then the person actually registers, then you get $20. So let's just say $22 for a single invite. I do not have any invites here, but let's look at videos and see. Okay, so for the video section, we have to click specific videos, watch them, and actually earn money. Okay, since the app thing did not work and kept bouncing us to different ads upon ads, let's click on videos and see. Okay, videos actually work. Yeah, videos actually work, but I can't actually mute it. So I have to like do a voiceover on this part, and then you can't pause the videos, neither can you fast forward them, which is quite frustrating for video sections. And let's go further and see what the whole platform has to offer though. Obviously, I'm seeing season 3 episode whatever, which means these movies could actually be for very long lengths, thereby consuming data and time, which I do not have to be able to do this video right now. But yeah, you could basically try that out and risk it if you want to see. And you can see here all the videos apart from ranging from movies, which the first was basically like in the Hausa dialect. The second part was like normal Nollywood standard English transcribed version, which I am not clicking, and the next part is for news. So right, for those that are interested in this, could go ahead and do that and check that. But let's look at the cash out. We haven't made any money obviously, so we can't necessarily cash out. But okay, your balance is at $25, which I have right now, and then tax commission. I haven't anything from tax commission, but let's see. Can I withdraw the $25 now? Okay, I cannot obviously. So the $25 that was given to us initially on registration cannot be withdrawn. I think you could have to make some other money from the platform before you'll be able to withdraw. So which means we have nothing. All right, so we have to claim daily login bonus and see. Okay, daily invite milestone ends in, all right, so there is a challenge ongoing for invite milestone that ends in about 35 minutes time. Okay, so I don't think I want to be part of it, because before this video goes live, I suppose this 35 minutes will be done. This 5 minutes will be done. So I don't think I'm part of this task commission right now. But yeah, the website is not really encouraging, to be sincere with you. The fact that the apps that are giving us are redirecting us to so many websites on different other platforms outside the platform, and not even the Google Play Store where we could download app, is quite it's quite suspicious. And I do not like the fact that I have to click links and necessarily open different kind of links. It's very risky in the current day and age, and so I do not buy the idea. And then the second part, for the having to watch videos, in fact I can't see the length of the videos, neither can I pause and play the video. I just have to let it play all through. I do not like that idea also. And then there are no ways I could actually get this money on time to be able to see, or anyway that assures me that even this money can be withdrawn. Thereby I have to go to the tedious task of probably bitter ending of seeing how everything plays out and do not get any money. So yeah, I would necessarily not come back to the website to do any further updates on it, but you guys can try it out if you want to. I'll be leaving a link down below. But this is just I think this is just part of the big scheme of the whole Ponzi scheme thing. Nothing big here, no actual service that they are rendering, and they're not solving any particular problem. Or well, I think they will probably be solving a problem for those of the people who actually own the video you'll be watching, because those videos are on YouTube, thereby giving those videos, or thereby raking in views for those videos. So for anybody that have those videos on YouTube, definitely will be, I think they'll find a way on getting views. So I think that's basically what this platform is basically targeted at. Every other thing just a distraction, and all the money mentioned and listed everywhere is just a distraction. And if you do not understand what I just said, or you still do not get the whole scope of how Ponzi scheme platforms can be revealed, then you need to watch my previous videos. I'm going to be dropping the link down below. Then you have to watch this video. It doesn't have much views because a lot of people don't really like stuff like this. But if you want to be someone that stays ahead of the game, then you need information in this video on the ultimate Ponzi scheme strategy. So you will understand how to review Ponzi scheme platforms yourself, and how to be able to point out platforms that have Ponzi scheme tendencies and they are not really doing well, or they have plans to basically steal your money. So right, so there are two of it. The first is the ultimate Ponzi scheme strategy, and the second is 5 ways to identify scam websites. Now you can basically check out these videos for yourself, and then let me know what you think about it in the comment section. All right, so that's basically it on the Money Whatever platform. All right, so bye for now, and catch up on the next one.